Did your check engine light turn on out of nowhere, but your vehicle still seems to be driving perfectly fine down the highway? You might have triggered a P049E diagnostic trouble code, which stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation B Control Position Exceeded Learning Limit. This generic powertrain code typically applies to onboard diagnostics to equipped vehicles that have an exhaust gas recirculation system, specifically heavy-duty diesel trucks like the Dodge Ram Cummins or the Chevy Silverado Duramax here in the United States. Your engine uses a step-down exhaust gas recirculation valve to route a measured portion of spent, hot exhaust gases directly back into your intake manifold, so it can be burned a second time. This specific process is absolutely critical for reducing harmful nitrous oxide particles that are regulated by federal emissions mandates. The engine computer relies on a programmed learning limit, which is basically the minimum and maximum parameters that the valve can safely adapt to while operating. The letter B refers to a very specific position of this step-down valve. When the powertrain control module detects that the actual physical position of the valve has moved way beyond these acceptable parameters, it logs this fault code. Interestingly, the severity of this code is considered fairly low, and the symptoms are usually very subtle. You will definitely see the malfunction indicator lamp on your dashboard, but beyond that, you might only experience a very slight drop in your fuel efficiency or minor drivability issues. The most common cause for this code is simply a defective step-down exhaust gas recirculation valve that has become jammed with heavy carbon buildup over thousands of miles. It can also be caused by a faulty internal sensor, damaged wiring harnesses running near hot exhaust shields, or a programming error within the engine computer itself. If you want to troubleshoot this at home, start by looking up technical service bulletins for your specific truck, as manufacturers often release software updates for this exact issue. Next, do a thorough visual inspection of the valve and all related wiring, looking closely for wires that have melted against the exhaust pipe. You will need a digital volt-ohm meter to test the electrical circuits for the appropriate voltage signal, and you may even need an advanced scanner to manually activate the valve system. If using a multimeter to probe delicate computer pins sounds intimidating, or if you do not have a bi-directional scanner to command the valve open and closed, you should take your vehicle to a professional mechanic. They can quickly determine if you just need a simple software reflash or a complete valve replacement, saving you a massive headache and getting your emission system back in perfect working order.